What's up, people? Currently at Prince Services, and I actually came late because my insomnia attacked again last night, so I didn't fall asleep until it was like morning. Now I'm here, and I'm in the I think this is sublimation area. I'm gonna be printing some shirts. These are like the shirts in here. That's what we're gonna print out. So yeah, and I'm gonna be having lunch. Look at this, adobo plus adobong manok and adobong pork adobo. Thanks for Jared for cooking this and for the rice, the leftover rice. Let's go. And it's so yummy. Mmm. Alright, I just had my lunch, pork adobo, chicken and pork adobo, and then I have my dessert, banana. I'm gonna have another dessert downstairs. Foodland cookies from Derek.